Hello, it's Frans from Lotus Holland, and I'm here to demonstrate to you our powerhouse, the Lotus Evo Textile Superior, a fully automatic cleaning and reclaiming system for screen printers who want the maximum in cleaning power and as much versatility as possible. Let me walk you through the features of this system and explain what it can do for you. If you compare it to our most popular system, the entry-level Lotus Evo Compact, this is actually a 4-chamber cleaning system, which means in chamber 1 we remove the ink and degrease the screen. Chamber 2 is a high pressure water rinse. Then we have an intermediate section. Chamber 3 is a stripper application for the emulsion, and chamber 4 is a second separate high pressure water rinse. The maximum cleaning power comes from the 2 separate high pressure units in combination with the intermediate section. So when you clean a screen, the ink is being removed and the water rinse will make sure that there's no residue of ink and cleaner left on the screen, which allows the stripper to fully penetrate into the emulsion and break down the fibers. And then the second high pressure water rinse will take off this dissolved emulsion. Together with this drip off section, the operator has maximum control over the cleaning process and minimizes the consumption of chemicals because there is no cross-contamination in this system. The versatility comes from the fact that you can take off the screen here if you want to. So if you want to use that screen for the same print job, you can take it off here while the ink has been removed and the high pressure rinse takes off the residue of ink. You can take off the screen and use that same screen for the same print job. If you don't want to do that, then you can just let it run through and the emulsion will be removed as well. So that is about the versatility. Now if we look at the back, we will show you the technique of the machine. You can see that all the components are on the outside, on the back of the system. They are identical to the compact, just more of the same. So here you have the 2 high pressure units, and as you can see, they both have a pressure gauge and a setting where you can adjust the pressure. So we will make the pressure in chamber 1 as high as possible to remove as much of the ink as possible, but low enough not to damage the emulsion. And the second high pressure unit will be set at 1450 psi, which is 100 bar, to remove the residue of dissolved emulsion and also take away the last bit of ink that is in the image to prevent the occurrence of a ghost image. On top of that, this system is actually fitted with 2 options. First, we have a pump switch where you can use the pumps on the machine to empty the tanks. Makes life easy for the operator. And the second option on this machine is a end switch with a sensor. If the screen gets to the end, then it will touch the sensor and you will hear a sound and you can see a light on top of the machine indicating that the screen is ready. Here on the front, on the operator panel, you can see how easy our operator panel is. In the morning you press start to start the machine, and in the evening you press stop to switch it off. And here on this operator panel you see the option switches for the pump switch. So if you put it in position 1, the system is working normally. If you put it in position 2, only the pump is running, as you can hear, and you can use that pump now to empty out the chemicals from the tank. Switching it back to position 1 will make the system run normally again. Alright, that is it. If you are interested in this system, please reach out to Lotus Holland, sales@lotusholland.com, or contact your local distributor to get more information on what this beautiful system can do for you.